Ho, 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 ho!
On the fourth day of breachmas, my true love gave to me 4 books on humans.
It's almost Christmas, but there's still time for a stocking filler. And here's 4 incredible books from our podcast guests that'll really up your game.
So the first book that we recommend is from a past guest, which is Melina Palmer of the Brainy Business, and it's her book, What Your Employees Need and Can't Tell You. This is the motherlode of information on how to use behavioural economics to make a successful organisational change.
The second is Humanising Rules by Christian Hunt, founder of Human Risk Limited. This book covers using behavioural science in ethics and compliance. It also includes his Humans framework, which we discussed on our second podcast episode with him, that helps us structure things that can go with rather than against the grain of how people think and behave.
Our next recommendation is from a guest that will air next year, and that's David Burkus, and it's Leading from Anywhere. Dave Burkus is an organisational psychologist, and this book is about how to navigate a post-COVID world where we're all either fully remote or working hybrid, and how to get the best out of your teams.
And the final one is The Human Experience by John Sills, managing partner at the Foundation. It's an in-depth look into how the emotional experience of users is just as important as the functional one.
We have John joining us next year as well, so look out for that. There's a thread through all of these books, and that is the organisations, teams and customers are really a collection of human beings, and we need to recognise this to succeed and lean into how humans operate.
Ho, 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 ho!